we'd like to tell you something about our great, unforgettable moments in Romania. First, we met our new friends from France, Bulgaria, Germany, and Romania. We visited Romanian school and took part in different workshops. The stay at Romanian kindergarten reminded us about our childhood. Small children gave us a fantastic performance and introduced us into Christmas time. We also saw part of Dracula's kingdom at Bran Castle, and we had a nice time in the old town of Brașov. We will never forget the beautiful and full of splendor Romanian parliament. For sure, we will always remember a nice time spent in Romania, and we hope we will continue the friendship with new people we met.